Solve x squared plus 4x plus 6 equals 0. X plus y equals 10, comma, x minus y equals 4. One divided by open parenthesis 1 plus square root of 2 close parenthesis. Ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0 for x. X to the power of 3 plus x squared y plus xy squared plus y to the power of 3. Solve 4x plus 3 equals 19. Solve 5x equals 2 mod 3. Solve x to the power of 3 minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 24 equals 0 over the reals. Simplify x to the power of 5 minus 20 x to the power of 4 plus 163 x to the power of 3 minus 676 x squared plus 1424 x minus 1209. Open parenthesis x square minus 1 close parenthesis over open parenthesis x square plus 1 close parenthesis.